Wednesday, November 9th, 2016. Monaco 64, home of alternative economics and contrarian views. So yeah, it's almost 10 a.m. London time. I have been up all night actually, following the U.S. General elections. Donald Trump, of course, has won. He's got he's got 276 electoral votes at the moment. There's still a few states that haven't been decided yet, like Michigan and Arizona. I think you'll probably have almost 300 at the end of the day. The markets, of course, I made a video a few hours ago. At the time, the Dow was down over 600 points. We got down to more than 700 points lower in the Dow. Excuse me. Right now, the Dow has stabilized. We're back above 18,000. We got down to 17,476. It's now down 292 points, or down 1.6%. Gold is up $23 on yesterday's COMEX close at 6 p.m. New York. We're at just below 1,300. We're at 12.99. The high was 13.37. So a lot of volatility, and we also traded down to 12.67.90 when the first results started coming out and favored Hillary Clinton. So we've come back a huge range, about $75 range so far in gold. Silver got up to 1902. We're now 1864, up about $30. S&P was down over 100 points. It's now down 39 at 2101. The low is 2032. The dollar as well got down to 101.18 against the yen. Now it's down at 103.47, so it's rebounded, but it's still down 1.6% against the yen. The pound got up to 125.48, but we're actually almost unchanged now at 123.83. Euro got up to 113, and it's now 110.44. So what do I think of the market reaction? Well, usually, and as you know, I've worked in the market for over 20 years, the reaction to the market after an important event or an important statistic, like non-farm payroll, the initial reaction of the market should be the direction of the market, in the medium to longer term. So right now, we've kind of stabilized, and I wouldn't be surprised if, the powers that be still in charge at the Treasury and the Fed intervene to kind of calm the markets down before the U.S. opens at 9:30 a.m. New York time. It's still 9:45 London time, so it's still just before 5 a.m. in New York. So I think they've stepped in and they try to stabilize it. It will be very interesting, I think, though, when the U.S. comes in. We could see a resumption of the drop in the stock market, a resumption of the drop in the U.S. dollar, and a resumption of the move higher in precious metals, I think. So what else have we got here? Bitcoin has done pretty well. We're trading around 730, so that's up over $20. Let's see, the bond markets were quite volatile. U.S. Treasuries, let's have a look here, see where the 10-year yield is. So actually the 10-year yield is up at 1.9%, which, yesterday I think we closed around 186. When the market was down about 700, the stock market, the 10-year yield got down to around 172. So we've actually gone right back up here, and we are at, multi-month highs here in terms of the yield at 1.9%, which means that bond prices are dropping. U.S. Treasury bond prices are dropping. The next key objective will be 2%, technically and also psychologically, 2% yield in the 10-year. So bond market's very volatile as well then. We've had a 27 basis points range overnight in the 10-year note. And I know that that is volatile because that's the market that I worked in the most. That was my core market was government bond futures. So yeah, so that's it for the moment. I think it would be interesting for us to wait and see till the U.S. comes in. The New York Stock Exchange that opens at 9:30 New York time. So as I leave here, 9:45 London time, 9:45 a.m. New York time. The spot gold is 1298. Dow is down 307 at 18,027. S&P to 2099 actually, down 41 points. Silver 1864, up 28 cents. So that's it for now, and I'll keep an eye on the market. If I see any important moves, I'll update you. So if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, share it far and wide, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. And if you'd like to donate, there's some links below in the description. I accept Bitcoin, BitGold. You can pay through PayPal or a Patreon donation, monthly donation as little as $1. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you later. Bye.